Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question, find numbers with even number of digits. Okay, let me explain with this example, 12, 345, 2, 6, 7,896. So we have to find the numbers with even number of digits. So target numbers should be 12 and 7,896. And we have two constraints. One is a length of input array should be from 1 to 500. And the second constraint should be the value of input array should be from 1 to 10 to the power of 5. So that means from 1 greater than or equal, n greater than or equal, and 100,000, right? Like this. And everyone knows even number of digits between 1 to 100,000. So they are like from 10 to 99 or 1,000 to 9,999 or 100,000 itself. So if we create a if statement with this condition and input number meet one of condition, so we count 1, so that we can easily count target numbers. Let's check with this example. So we find 12 and 12 meet this condition, 10 from 10 to 99. So that's why. So let's say result variable is now 1. And move next. We are now 345. And 345 doesn't meet any condition, right? So that's why I just skip. And how about 2? So 2 doesn't meet any condition, right? So skip. And 6 also doesn't meet any condition. And move next. And how about 7,896? So this number meet second condition here. So that's why add +1 to result variable. So that is 2. And then finish iteration. All we have to do is just return result variable. That is 2. Yeah, so that is the basic idea to solve this question. So let's jump into the code. Okay, let's write the code. First of all, create a result variable initialized with 0. And let's iterate through one by one for n in nums. And the first condition should be if 9 greater than n less than 100. And the second condition should be 999 greater than n less than 10,000. Or n equal 100,000. So if we meet this condition, add +1 to result variable. And after that, just return result variable. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of n, where n is the length of input array. And the space complexity is, I think, O1. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Please support me with actions such as comment and hitting like button. I'll see you in the next question.